Order coffee in English. One visit start to finish. Part 1. Working out what to order.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you?
Sorry, can I have a minute?
Of course, take your time.
Thanks. I'm still deciding.
No rush. Just wave when you're ready.
Do you have a menu I can look at?
It's on the board behind me, and here's a paper one.
Okay, I think I'm ready. What do you recommend?
The oat latte is our most popular.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam.
Is it very sweet?
Not really. And I can add less syrup if you like.
Ah, that helps. Thank you.
Happy to help.
What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large. Or, as we call them, tall, grande, and venti.
Sorry, which one is medium?
Grande. That's the middle one.
How big is a venti?
A venti is 20 ounces. About 600 milliliters.
Got it. Grande, please. Sorry, can I have a minute? Thanks. I'm still deciding. Do you have a menu I can look at? Okay, I think I'm ready. What do you recommend? What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? Is it very sweet? What sizes do you have? Sorry, which one is medium? How big is a venti?
Part 2. Ordering.
So, what can I get for you?
Can I get a grande latte, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
One iced grande latte. What kind of milk would you like?
Do you have oat milk?
We do. Oat, almond, and soy.
I'll have oat milk, please. And could I get an extra shot?
You got it. So that's a double.
Yes, exactly. How much extra is that?
The extra shot is 50 cents. Oat milk is free.
Great, thanks.
Anything to eat with that?
No, just the drink. That's it for now.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
No problem. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Mia. M-I-A.
Thanks, Mia. It'll be ready shortly.
About how long is that?
5 minutes at the most.
Can I get a grande latte, please? Do you have oat milk? I'll have oat milk, please. And could I get an extra shot? Yes, exactly. How much extra is that? No, just the drink. That's it for now. To go, please. It's Mia. M-I-A. About how long is that?
Part 3. Ping.
How much is that?
That comes to $6.25.
Sorry, could you say that again?
$6.25. $6.25.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yep, we take Apple Pay and Google Pay.
Ah, thank you.
Will that be card or cash?
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap whenever you're ready.
There we go.
It'll ask about a tip on the screen.
Can I add it there?
Yep, tap an amount or no tip. Up to you.
Got it. Thanks.
Would you like a receipt?
No, I'm okay. Thanks. How much is that? Sorry. Could you say that again? Can I pay with my phone? Can I add it there? No, I'm okay. Thanks.
Part 4. A few minutes later. Picking it up.
Is my order ready yet?
Almost. Just another minute.
Where do I pick it up when it's ready?
Right here, at the end of the counter.
Could you call my name too?
Sure thing.
No rush. Take your time.
Thanks for waiting. One iced latte for Mia.
That's me. Excuse me. I think this is the wrong drink.
Oh no. I'm sorry. What did you order?
An iced latte, not a cappuccino.
That's on me. Let me remake that for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here you go. Sorry about that. Enjoy.
Is my order ready yet? Where do I pick it up when it's ready? Could you call my name too? That's me. Excuse me. I think this is the wrong drink. An iced latte, not a cappuccino. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Part 5. A week later. Now they know you.
Hey, Mia. The usual?
Yes, please. You remembered.
One iced latte with oat milk, extra shot, grande.
That's the one.
Anything to eat with it today?
Not today. Thanks.
Coming right up.
What pastries do you have today?
Croissants, blueberry muffins, and banana bread.
Are the croissants fresh?
They came out of the oven an hour ago.
Is the banana bread vegan?
It is. The croissants have butter, though.
I'll take a croissant. Could you heat it up?
Sure. Warm or toasted.
Just warm, please. That's the one. Not today. Thanks. What pastries do you have today? Are the croissants fresh? Is the banana bread vegan? I'll take a croissant. Could you heat it up?
Part 6. Staying a while.
Is the Wi-Fi free here?
It is. The password's on the board, by the menu.
Perfect. Are there any seats by the window?
Yeah, that one right there is open.
Is there an outlet near it?
Yes, just under the table.
That works. Thanks.
Go ahead and grab it. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. Just busy. How about you?
Can't complain.
Busy morning?
Non-stop since 7.
Well, thanks again. See you tomorrow.
Sounds good. Take care, Mia.
You too. Is the Wi-Fi free here? Perfect. Are there any seats by the window? Is there an outlet near it? Pretty good. Just busy. How about you? Busy morning? Well, thanks again. See you tomorrow.
Part 7. You try. Now you are Mia. Leo speaks. You answer out loud. Then you hear Mia's answer.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you?
Sorry. Can I have a minute?
So, what can I get for you?
Can I get a grande latte, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
No problem. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Mia. M-I-A.
That comes to $6.25.
Sorry. Could you say that again?
Will that be card or cash?
Card, please.
Thanks for waiting. One iced latte for Mia.
That's me.